the court of public opinion is against him. But in a trial, we're not supposed to really be thinking about that so much. For the prosecutors, they're looking at this like, no, we knew a lot of this already. We have now fine-tuned, or we're going to continue to fine-tune our case, and anything else we're building on top of that is great. But when we filed the charges, when we put this out there, when we began this criminal case, our case was strong enough. That's what I think they're probably thinking at this point.
Very last question for you. Jay-Z, his issue was civil. That's been dropped. Now he's going after Busby. So I don't think we need to be concerned about him being in any kind of trouble based off of how things have panned out in his situation. Diddy, we talk about this all the time, but you know what we haven't said, we haven't heard enough of, Ryan? How much time is Diddy potentially looking at in jail if found guilty of these charges?
Life in prison. Life in prison. And this is serious. You know, I think a lot of times when people think of criminal charges, they think, well, life, it means a lot less, could be a lot less. Absolutely. But I just want to say that when you have a case involving a high profile person like Sean Combs, it's not even so much about could it be less. And when you talk about federal cases, usually whatever those charges are, that time will stick in many, many cases. I think what you've got here is a situation where prosecutors know this is high profile.